Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. The Shimmer Chiffon Fancy Resum Sequence Work Jaipuri Hand Dye Saree rupees 1100. This execute saree combines the elegance and chiffon fabric with intricate sequence work and traditional Jaipuri hand dyeing technique. Each saree is a work of art showcasing the rich culture and craftsmanship of India. The Shimmer Chiffon Fancy Resum Sequence Work Jaipuri Hand Dye Saree 1100 feature memorizing play of color and pattern, making it perfect for any special occasion. The chiffon fabric gives it a light and ethereal feel, allowing you to gracefully sway through the day or night. The intricate sequence work add a touch of sparkle and glamour, making you the center of attention wherever you go. Each sequence is carefully handicrafted, ensuring that every detail shine bright. But what truly set the saree apart in the Jaipuri hand dyeing technique. Skilled artisans meticulously dye the fabric using natural color, creating stunning and vibrant design that will never fade. This traditional technique has been passed down through a generation and preserving the beauty and heritage of India textile. The Shimmer Chiffon Fancy Resum Sequence Work Jaipuri Hand Dye Saree rupees 1100 is must have in every woman wardrobe. It embodies timeless beauty, elegance and craftsmanship that will leave everyone in awe. So why wait? Upgrade your saree collection today and embrace the allure of the stunning masterpiece. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing product and fashion inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish and confident. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then our link is in the description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.